Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm your neighbor and today we're going to be making chocolate babka. First time making it, Elle's gonna show us, but the surprise about it is that we're going to make it two different chocolates. So one of them is going to consist of Earl Grey and the other one is going to consist of Pan de Stelli, which is like a jam I picked up at this Italian store, and I'm so excited to use it because I have tried the cookies and they're so good. Whew. Therefore, I had to buy the jam. I was already imagining how wonderful it will taste in the babka and how wonderful it tastes as any kind of spread. The idea of Earl Grey chocolate babka actually came from Beyond Sweet and Savory's blog post. I was really excited because I love Earl Grey and I've been meaning to try out chocolate babka, so this was a great mix to do. So when we were following the recipe, we actually saw that there were some missing steps, but we were able to figure it out and alter it just as needed. If you want to follow her recipe, then I will post her recipe in the link in the description down below. And if you want to follow us and see how we did it, then please continue watching. Let's go! it's time to try the bread. It's so warm and toasty. It smells so much like chocolate. Oh. Well, it is chocolate. Let's try this one. Look at that swirl. I really like the swirl. A really good balance between the bread and the chocolate. Can't tell which one this one is. Okay, let's look at the other one. Well, you saw some swirls, right? Much sweeter than this one. I think this is the Pan de Stelli, and the Pan de Stelli actually dried up a little bit while I was baking. So then it actually made the bread a little bit drier. I think the heavy cream helped maintain its fluffiness. Let me see if there's any Earl Grey in this. You do taste the Earl Grey. It's good. It's a really good balance with chocolate. Alright, so that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoy this really awesome baking recipe, and I think it was a really great success. I would try to make more of this. Have a good one. Bye!